Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to convert a date string to a datetime object using Python's pandas library, along with code examples. The pandas library in Python provides powerful tools for working with time series data. One common task is converting date strings into datetime objects for better manipulation and analysis. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to achieve this using pandas. If you haven't installed pandas yet, you can do so using the following command. The pd2_datetime function in pandas can be used to convert a date string to a datetime object. Let's look at some examples. Pandas can automatically infer the date format in most cases. However, if your date strings have a specific format, you can specify it using the format parameter. The format parameter uses the same directives as the strftime function in the datetime module. Converting date strings to datetime objects in pandas is a fundamental step in working with time series data. The pd2_datetime function makes this process simple and flexible, providing a convenient way to handle various date formats. Now you have the tools to seamlessly handle date strings in your pandas workflows. ChatGPT.